Hi everyone, Archana here. Since summer is coming up, I came up with this ocean beach theme kit and I really hope you will like it. The papers are to die for. These are not very heavy weight paper though, but they are plenty in there, and the graphic and design is super shabby. I am sure you will love them. And I will show you papers first and then we will move on to other things. So the papers you are getting in 8 by 8 A4 size and 12 by 12 size. So I will tell you what exactly are they. So first of all, I'll show you these 12 by 12 papers, and these papers are from Fab Scraps, which is South African company, and they make really beautiful products. So you can see these are the papers, all shabby chic, and all the colors are so pretty in light blue color, and they are double-sided paper. So you can see the back side, and super pretty, right? You can see all the details, everything is so pretty, and the back side is like that, all the journaling and everything. And this one, awesome, so cute. The back side is like this, amazing. And then this one has lots of roses and the lighthouse, really pretty. And the back side is really nice blue. And this one, so cute, seagull. I love this one. And back side is like that in red. And look at this one, this chain and the anchor and all the beautiful flowers. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. And back side is like this one. And then, oh my goodness, look at this wheel and all the flowers and the rope and everything. And back side is like that, all the borders and really pretty journaling spots here. And then this one, super shabby, so cute. And the back side is like that, so you can see all the rope and flowers all over. And I will show you what you are getting in this pad, but before that I will just include this one first. So you are getting these stencils, super cute, perfect stencils, the rope, anchor, this wheel and all the this mesh kind of thing and ropes, everything is there. It's a Kaiser Crafts 12 by 12 stencil template. So I will show you this pack, and this pack has so many things. Okay, so I will just show everything, since I just wanted to show you everything. I can show you this thing and done, but I really wanted to show the beauty of this pack. That's what I'm opening it again. Oh gosh, that's what I'm worried. So you are getting 8 by 8 solid papers, and they are meant for this collection, of course. So all the colors are in the collection already. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 papers you are getting, 8 by 8. And then you are getting these long A4 papers which cut it in a half, so you don't have to worry losing the other side of 12 by 12 paper. That's what I wanted to let you know. So these ones has all the back side and front side, and I just wanted to give you everything. I cannot give you 2 of each 12 by 12 papers, since they come in 1 of each in this collection. That's what this card pack is there. So the other side you can use. as embellishment for your projects. So there are 4 these tall ones and another 4, so total 8 pages in A4 size. So cute. And then you will have these A4 papers. So again, the similar papers what I just show you. So this is everything is there, so you don't need to worry about losing the other side. You can easily cut them out and use this part too. You know what I mean. So these are how many papers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so and then you are getting really awesome template, which is a stencil, and it has this should I open it? Let me check how to open. I just don't want to mess up. Anyway, but I will show you. This is the stencil you are getting. Okay, so the lighthouse, 3 words, and this anchor. So this is the size. It's really cute. Oh, I love this one in front of my album. This thing, I will just gesso it and emboss it and use it as a focal point. All right, so these are here, and let's move on. I will put it in the bag later on, so just keep it like that. And then you are getting couple of sticker sheets. So these are addictive scrapping goodies they called, and you are getting these stickers, and these stickers, lovely. Oh gosh, the boat is also here, so cute. So these 2 packs of stickers, and then from Fab Scraps you are getting these chipboard pieces. You can cut it out. They are as a set, but you need to cut them out by yourself. So welcome aboard, and kit name is All Aboard, and a wheel is here. Hope anchor the soul, and this lighthouse, the boat, and happy sailing. Super cute, right? So this one, and the main thing, we are getting this beautiful album. So I will open it, or just that's okay. So it has 2 holes and 2 rings, binder rings here, and it has, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages, and this album measures, I will check quickly. This is 8 by 6. So this mini album is 8 by 6. It's chipboard album, and it has this anchor, and I think I'll show you. We will open it. So this is see-through, I think. Yes. So this part is see-through. It's so cool. So you can use any paper underneath, like that. It looks pretty. So this album is included. I'll quickly put it in. And then I have some other goodies for you. I have added this Shabby Chic Treasure by Prima. Super cute birds and a wheel. And then I have added this Creative Basics by LDRS Creative die sets, which has 6 dies, and I thought this banner is really ideal for this type of kit. So and this one is here, and then I have added some of the Prima blings just in case. So since this collection has really pretty red roses all over, I have added this a rose collection by Wild Arcade Crafts. It's cottage roses in 4 different shades, and they are 20 roses. And then I have added this blue pack by Prima. It's very pretty blue color flowers. And I have added the Prima's really bright blue, navy blue colored ink, which goes perfect for this edger. And then I have a couple of laces and all. Of course, we will have some blue and red seam binding. And then I have blue, this Prima Gypsy cord. And then I have this whimsical lace, and it has some I think sequins all over. You can see they are sparkly. They are clear sequins. They are not like holographic or glittery. They are really nice clear one, which gives enough shine or glitter to your project. So this lace is included, and I really hope you will like this kit. And it's right now available to purchase. Link is in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.